Patrick, I want to become a top listing agent. What is the lead generation, the scripting I should use to be able to become a top listing agent? During the recent tag event, the appointment setting game at Tom Ferry's office, I was working with 50 or so agents who was booking appointments. I think we booked 80 appointments. We generated 91 new lead opportunities over the 2 days. And I was telling the group, we must become a master of one question that actually is one significant conversation if anyone wants to become a top listing agent. And that simple question is, if you were to sell this property, then where would you go next? Now, that's probably one of the most beautiful scripts from my dad, probably the 70s and the 80s and the 90s and the 2000s. But I think everybody in the process of learning a new script, follow the script, right? Like a robot, role play your script. You forget that the truth is, if you want to become an amazing listing agent, or you want to become someone who helps homeowners to sell their property and move to the next chapter of their life, in essence, you probably should get really good at that conversation. And every time I survey an audience of 50 to 100 people and I say, how many of you guys are living in your dream home and have no thoughts or aspirations around making a move and where you would move to next? Usually it's 20% max. So literally 80% of every one of them are currently thinking about exploring whether or not it's aspirationally or serious where they would buy their next home. So my friends, if you want to become someone who can create this conversation with everybody, and you want to be able to have this conversation with everybody that you know, you want to be able to have that conversation when you're talking to neighbors, you want to have that conversation over the phone when you're doing cold conversations and cold outreach. It's such a simple conversation, and most people would absolutely enjoy having that conversation with a great real estate advisor. Whether or not it's aspirational, whether or not they're in the research phase, or whether or not they're really starting to hunker down and create a plan. A good real estate professional, a good real estate advisor opens that conversation up, adds value to the customer, builds rapport through that process, discovers where they're at on the plan, and figures out how to help them to fulfill on their goals and dreams. Isn't that what a great real estate advisor would do and should do? So my friends, is this learn the script, or is this become a master of one question and one conversation, and you ultimately will be able to help hundreds of homeowners sell their home? Hey everybody, the first appointment setting game event was a success. For those of you who've been following along the channel and learning about the tag event at the Tom Ferry headquarters in Orange County, beautiful building, his amazing facility, we hosted 40 real estate agents, 100% focused on booking appointments. And we ended up with roughly 3,600 dials out, 512 conversations recorded, 84 appointments booked, 92 new lead opportunities discovered. We had such a blast. I just want to make sure that everybody has a good time. If you're brand new to making cold calls, to make those first calls, generate those first leads, and get over the hump. I had Michelle, she says, hey, thank you so much for getting me back on the horse with my discipline of prospecting. And then she said, the listing appointment that I booked, they're going to go with us. I got a great text from Brandon, a picture of the listing contract signed from the appointment that he booked at the event. Here's the problem. We're just working on the logistics of the next session and the calendar. To learn more is to go down below and just get yourself signed up on the wait list. I can just give you the direct announcements of when the next event is so that you can make sure that you reserve your spot before anyone else. I'm assuming these events will sell out. There's not enough room to have a lot of people in there. If you sign up for the wait list, I will also add you into my sales conversion newsletter. This week, I'm going to be interviewing Avi Becker on his entire breakdown of the absentee owner, the scripting, the mindset, the tool, the resources, everything that he's doing. So just go down below, get signed up. I look forward to having you at that next event.